Bring up. Crowning Glory. Stays out. We have Sacred All. Pass to begin. Moving a party outside the Libre Lang. In the middle, Crowning Glory, Dane Hill Choi. Then followed by number 5, Bell of the Ball. Big Spender comes next. Naughty Tatat, El Cubano Koski, and Polar Express. As they leave the straight, Sacred Hall by about 2 lengths. Crowning Glory in second, a length and a half. Back in third comes Libre Lang. Bell of the Ball is racing in fourth. And in fifth, Big Spender. Next on line, Dane Hill Choi, Naughty Tatat, El Cubano Koski, and too far behind is Polar Express. As solo leader, Sacred Hall by about 7 lengths. Crowning Glory still in second. Then here comes Libre Lang now in third. Bell of the Ball also coming closer in fourth. Big Spender in fifth. We have Sacred All still in front by about 7 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Libre Lang. Crowning Glory, Drash back in third, Bell of the Ball. Sacred All this time by about 5 lengths. Coming closer now in second is Libre Lang. As they come down at the last 200. Sacred All, Libre Lang moving up on the outside. Sacred All, Libre Lang moving up on the outside. It's now Libre Lang. And finally, Libre Lang, Sacred All, Big Spender, Bell of the Ball, Crowning Glory.